Over 60? Welcome to Senior Wellness Secrets. If you want to restore leg strength, improve balance, and feel confident in your daily movements, you've found the right video. Today, I'll walk you through 6 easy exercises you can do at home to rebuild strength in your legs after 60. These aren't complicated workouts, but carefully chosen moves that target the muscles most important for independence, walking safely, and preventing falls. And here's the truth. Even the simplest exercises can cause strain if done the wrong way. That's why I'll guide you step by step, showing you exactly how to perform each exercise while also pointing out the common mistakes many seniors make that lead to stiffness or accidents. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip to help you stay consistent and turn these simple movements into a lifelong habit. The first exercise is the sit to stand, one of the most powerful moves for restoring leg strength because it mimics the exact movement you perform dozens of times a day getting out of a chair. Start by sitting on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Place your hands lightly on your thighs or cross your arms over your chest. Lean forward slightly at the hips, press your heels into the floor, and rise up to a standing position slowly and steadily. Pause, then lower yourself back into the chair with control, resisting the urge to plop down. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions. The benefits are enormous. This exercise strengthens your thighs, hips, and glutes, which are critical for walking, climbing stairs, and standing up independently. The common mistakes are leaning too far forward, using momentum instead of muscle, or letting your knees cave inward. To avoid these, focus on keeping your knees aligned over your toes and your chest lifted. My tip is to imagine you're standing proudly each time, rising with confidence. Done daily, this move builds the leg power you need for independence, making everyday activities smoother and safer. The second exercise is the heel raise, which looks simple but is vital for strengthening your calves and ankles, the foundation of your balance. Stand tall behind a sturdy chair or counter for support. Place your feet hip width apart. Slowly lift your heels off the floor, rising onto the balls of your feet. Hold for 2 or 3 seconds, then lower back down with control. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise strengthens your calves, improves ankle stability, and increases blood circulation in the legs, reducing swelling and stiffness. Since weak ankles are a leading cause of falls, heel raises are one of the most important exercises you can do. The mistakes to watch out for are bouncing up and down too quickly, leaning forward, or letting your heels slam back down. Instead, keep your movements slow and steady, with your posture tall. My favorite tip is to imagine you're growing taller each time you lift, like a tree reaching toward the sun. Over time, this small but mighty movement improves walking endurance, makes stairs easier, and gives you the stability to stand with confidence. The third exercise is the side leg lift, which strengthens the outer hips and thighs, key muscles for balance and fall prevention. Stand behind a sturdy chair, holding the backrest lightly for support. Keep your torso upright and your feet together. Slowly lift your right leg out to the side, keeping it straight and your toes facing forward. Raise it only a few inches, then lower it back down with control. Repeat 10 to 15 times on the right, then switch to the left. This exercise targets the hip abductors, muscles that are often neglected but critical for stepping sideways, regaining balance, and staying steady on uneven ground. The common mistakes include leaning the torso sideways, swinging the leg instead of lifting with control, and turning the toes outward. To correct this, imagine your chest rising tall as your leg glides smoothly to the side, like opening a heavy door with strength and control. Done daily, side leg lifts strengthen the stabilizing muscles that protect against trips and falls, making you feel secure in every direction you move. The fourth exercise is the seated knee extension, perfect for building thigh strength without stressing the joints. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor. Slowly extend your right leg forward until it's straight, with your toes pointing up toward the ceiling. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower it back down gently. Repeat 10 to 15 times, then switch to the left leg. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps, the large muscles in the front of your thighs that play a key role in standing, walking, and climbing stairs. The mistakes many people make are snapping the leg up too quickly, locking the knee too hard, or leaning backward in the chair. Instead, move slowly and deliberately, keeping a soft bend at the top of the motion. My tip is to imagine your toes painting a smooth, straight line in the air with each lift. Over time, seated knee extensions make standing up easier, walking more stable, and reduce the stress on your knees, which is especially helpful if you deal with arthritis or joint stiffness. The fifth exercise is the step tap, a gentle but effective move to restore coordination, balance, and leg strength. Stand behind a sturdy chair or counter for support. Start with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly step your right foot forward and lightly tap your heel on the floor, then bring it back. Do the same with the left foot, alternating side to side. Aim for 15 to 20 taps per leg. This exercise trains the muscles used for walking, improves coordination between the legs, and challenges your balance in a safe way. The mistakes to avoid are stepping too far, tapping the heel too forcefully, or rushing through the movement. Instead, keep the steps small, controlled, and deliberate. My tip is to imagine you're gently testing the ground in front of you with each tap, steady and confident. Done daily, this exercise improves your walking rhythm, restores balance, and helps prevent those sudden stumbles that often lead to falls. The sixth exercise is the seated ankle circle, which may seem simple, but is vital for flexibility, blood flow, and ankle strength. Sit tall in a chair with both feet flat on the ground. Lift your right foot slightly off the floor and slowly rotate your ankle in a circle, 8 to 10 times clockwise, then 8 to 10 times counterclockwise. Switch to the left foot and repeat. This exercise improves joint mobility, reduces stiffness, and strengthens the small stabilizing muscles in your ankles. It also boosts circulation, which helps reduce swelling in the feet and lower legs. The mistakes to watch out for are rushing the circles, moving only the toes instead of the whole ankle, or slouching in the chair. To correct this, sit tall, move slowly, and focus on making big, smooth circles with the ankle. My tip is to imagine you're tracing the face of a clock with your toes. Done consistently, ankle circles keep your steps light and steady, giving you more flexibility and confidence with every stride. And there you have it, 6 easy exercises to restore leg strength after 60. Each one is simple, safe, and effective, targeting the key muscles that keep you strong, balanced, and independent. Remember, it's not about doing them perfectly from the start. It's about practicing daily, moving with control, and avoiding the small mistakes that can lead to falls. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Senior Wellness Secrets for more routines that keep you active, confident, and healthy. And don't forget to share this with a loved one. Sometimes just a few simple exercises can make the biggest difference in someone's life. Until next time, stay active, stay strong, and live well.